This is a fake SBI branch. These staffers were hired as employees and now stand duped of thousands of rupees. The money deposited in this Chhattisgarh branch is very real. The fraudulent branch had set up banners and even employed a gullible group of people as staff. It was later found to be scamming job seekers by offering fake employment in exchange for large sums of money. One of the employees in fact paid rupees 5.8 lakh to land the job, even receiving an offer letter that promised him to pay a salary of rupees 25 to 30,000. Sangeeta Kawar lost rupees 2.5 lakh, Lakshmi Yadav rupees 2 lakh, Pintu Marvi rupees 5.8 lakh and Padmeshwar Rathore rupees 3 lakh, all lured in by the promise of securing banking jobs. They had even been sent for training under false pretenses. In just 10 days, this fake bank had set up convincing facade. New furniture, professional papers, even bank counters. Villagers unaware of the scam began using the branch for transactions. There were some red flags though. There were no ID cards and no actual work. The scam came to light when a local resident who had previously applied to open an SBI kiosk at the same village noticed the sudden appearance of this SBI branch. Suspicious of how it had sprung up overnight, he visited the so-called branch in Bilaspur's Chapora village. What he saw raised even more doubts, prompting him to alert the real SBI officials at Dabra, the nearest legitimate branch. In response, the manager of the Dabra SBI branch decided to investigate and visited the fake branch incognito. He saw the business-like setup and furniture but noticed the computers didn't have any software, weren't linked to any servers, there was nothing much on the ledgers and the newly hired staff looked confused. So he reported it to the police. When the police officers arrived at the scene, they found no valid banking documents and the alleged branch manager had already fled. Police seized computer systems and hard drives as part of their investigation. A probe is underway to ascertain how many people opened bank accounts with the branch and how much money the conmen collected from them.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.